Okay, Ian, the camera is on. Anytime you're ready, cover.
Okay.
First, do you know what you're going to do? Do you know what you're going to say?
Yeah, let me get it. Don't interrupt me. God, let me do that again.
I just want to know if you know what you're going to say on the intro, because you never know at times.
All right, here we go. I want to talk about the painting.
Fair enough. Go.
G'day, how you going? I'm Ian Apples, your acrylic guru from Australia. Welcome to my video. And I do paint in acrylic.
Calm down, Ian, calm down. Just take your time.
Shh, little buddies there. All right. Get on over here. Get on over here and let me show you what we're going to put on the canvas. Was that okay?
It was a bit gammy, Ian.
I'll do it again. Hang on, the bloody monitor keeps going off. I'll paint in acrylic, whatever I said before. Okay, so come on over here, and I want to show you what. So come on over here, and let's put it on the canvas. Whew, golly.
I tell you what, you're a worry at times, Ian. Just let me get the camera over there. Okay, hang on, I've got to turn the screen around.
Now you know what you're going to do you?
Oh, just let me get the camera down, Ian.
All right, I've got a cup of tea. I've got a coffee going here anyway, so I'm in no hurry.
You are never in a hurry. Okay. So let me show you what... Oh, you haven't done the pencil lines yet, Ian.
All right, so I'll do it as I speak.
Righto.
So where's mid, just under midway? Okay, so show you what's on the canvas. Alrighty, we want the waterline stopping somewhere about here.
I've just got to get that shadow cast off the palette there, Ian, because it gives me the ooby-doobies.
Alright. Okay, where are we up to? Just the craft white, or the white paint. Okay. Get out, you mongrel.
Okay, I'm filming, so anytime you're ready.
Okay. Now, I want to prime up the sky.
That'll do, Ian. I can edit that bit out. You don't have to do the whole lot.
Okay, that's mixed. Now I just want to put this onto the canvas sky area. How's the shadows going? They're pretty good. What is that just in the camera itself? Move back a bit, little buddy.
I am. Just let me do it. You just paint and I'll film.
Righto. Okay. Stroke that like a pure gentleman, just to give it a thin...
Hang on, do that again, Ian. I nearly fell over and I don't want to make sure I've got everything in shot.
Right, hang on, do it again. Okay. Get rid of that. Let me get rid of that. Now, I just want to stroke this left and right like a pure gentleman and get it to a nice, thin, even coat. And I want to just add the watercolour as well. I'm going to do that at the same time in this one. Sometimes I'll change it up a bit. So we're about, let's say about here. A bit more. I want the water to come right in there. Everywhere where I want the water is where I'm putting this. Now you can use this principle to your paintings. It doesn't have to be the same shape layout as this, but the same principles apply. Now the same thing again, evening that out with nice left and right, even thin brush strokes. Beautiful, Ian, I love it. Beautiful. All right. Okay, I'll just wipe that brush, get all the bulk off it, and put the sky colours in now.
Okay, what colours are you going to use for the sky?
I don't know.
Just let me get this out of your way, Ian. Get that ready to put on the canvas, not the canvas. It's your palette. You do the same mistakes, don't you?
Yeah, I always get this mixed up, calling this a canvas and that a palette, this vice versa and whatever. I'm going to use French ultramarine blue in this one, little buddy, because I'm always using cerulean. Okay.
Put it on the palette first and then I'll film it, because that's just wasting time. People do not want to see you pulling paint out of a tube.
No worries. So we want this. What do we got? I love Indian yellow when it breaks onto the white, little buddy?
Yeah, it's quite nice.
I got some red gold here. I'm going to use this today. Oh, see, I've got to shake the bottle up. It says shake well as well.
You're an idiot at times, Ian, I'm telling you. You are a bit silly and forgetful. You've got a lot of things on your mind, haven't you?
Well, this is it. Okay, let's see how that worked. Is it a BEA moment? Yes, look at that. BEA, beautiful. The blue, that and that are in a little bit of permanent alizarin.
Come on, mate. Okay, you ready?
Yeah, I'm ready. Just let me get these out. Oh, you idiot. Ah, fuck's sake.
Just get them down out the way, Ian, because they're all in. I've got to get the camera in a minute. Okay, move that red gold. You right?
Okay, yep. Okay.
Is it the right choice, Ian? That's what... Oh, you got to ask yourself. Bloody move, you stupid camera.
There we go. Calm down. I'm ready to talk again. Right, I go.
What are you doing down there, Ian? I've got the camera on you.
I'm just grabbing some of this. It's old titanium white Matisse paint, but it's the thick structured stuff. But this is about 13 years old. I want to try and use it up, so I've got to get it out with a knife. And I'll just quickly mix some up off camera. Well, I won't put it in the tutorial, but I've got to get some water on it over here.
Ian, you forgot to put your little water tub out as well.
I'm always doing that. I don't know why. I need a reminder. There we go. There we go.
Turn your monitor back on too.
No, 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay.
I'll give that a mix for you, Ian, because that looks disgusting.
I know. Let me get it. See, it looks like rubbish, but once you get it all mixed with water, it's okay.
Look at you go, boy. Anyone will think you know what you're bloody doing.
Well, I only know what I know. I can't do what I don't know. I just want to get this...
Don't teach to me, Ian. Wait till the camera's on and you can tell them. Don't worry about explaining it to me. I already know what you got to do. I'm the one telling you when you forget stuff. Don't forget.
All right.
Get your fan brush ready as well, your hog bristles.
No worries, I will.
Over there, it's over there.
Is it over here somewhere? There's 2. What else is here? Those ones. I'll have to come back for some of these because this is where I'll wash the brushes out. Okay.
Hurry up before it dries.
I need a blending brush.
I'll put one up there for you.
Oh yeah, there it is. Okay. Alright, now I will darken it up. It's annoying me.
Oh, okay, what are you going to use to darken it up?
Phthalo blue. Where's phthalo blue? Have I got phthalo blue in here anywhere? Let's have a look. Yes, phthalo blue right here. I'll put some on there so I can... This will make it dark, I think. I used to use this in my early paintings.
Oh, that's before you found me, wasn't it?
Yeah. Way before you come along. Righto. Go.
Let me get right in there, Ian, so you can see you blending.
Where's my cloth?
Oh, yeah. You got to say hello to me so I can say hello back. While I put the camera up here, just grab your bullshit stick, Ian, so as we can see you do the centre line.
No worry, I just need to find a sharp enough pencil. They're all blunt. Blunt as buggery.
Oh, golly, that guts me, Ian, when you got blunt pencils.
Calm down. All right. So what I want to... How's that look in the monitor?
Looking good to me, Ian. If I can get at least this just filmed today, Ian, and get all the files in the computer, I'll be happy.
Yeah, I will too. It's just taken so long. Hey, Google, what's the time?
It's 1:12 p.m.
Well, keep asking the time. That way you get an idea of just how long the tutorials take me. And then there's several hours after this to edit them.
Let's wipe your brush, Ian, before you put that on there.
Oh, it's so good having you here, little buddy, because you help me not to forget things.
and I can rip into it, and it'll cause you all kinds of snot. Nothing better than having controlled brush strokes, is there, Ian? Ian?
Yeah, that's right. Lustful little tree to paint, I feel.
Hey, the lustfulness of it all, Ian, when you're painting a beautiful tree, Ian. You like that, don't you?
I do.
Let me get that camera down here, Ian.
You right?
Yeah, mate, go for it, buddy.
Okay, back to this colour we mixed up previously.
Add the little dingleberries onto them.
Fingering right up there.
Your veggie garden's getting a good watering, Ian.
Sure is. I was there fertilising it this morning. It was great being in the garden. If you're watching me drink this drink, having a bit of a break, it means you're watching the extra content behind the scenes. It's a lot of wasted footage, so I like to make a bit of a video and put it out there for those people who like to watch it. I just need a bit of a... I've been going for about 2 hours, I think, now. I'm every now and then asking Google what the time is, and it'll be in the tutorial so you can just get a grasp of how long it started and how long it takes.
How's that drink, Ian? You didn't get me one.
Oh, sorry, mate. You're behind the camera.
Doesn't mean I can't drink.
Little buddy there, he does the camera work. All right, I'm looking at this. I'm very happy with it. Coming along, and now I want to start putting the colours in here, and then the foreground, and then the surface of the water. And what I love about these paintings that I'm doing lately, or within late, is I love revealing them, because I remember when I was watching tutorials, you watch some guy or some lady or person paint a painting, and when they finished, that was it. But I like to reveal it, showing you what it looks like with the white mat and a frame, because it gives a different vibe from without a frame to with a frame. So I like to do that. What's the matter there? So I do look forward to revealing the painting at the end. It's such a, well, to me it's a little pet joy I love when I'm creating these videos / small movies. So if you can watch the whole lot and enjoy the process, and also enjoy these extra content behind the scenes, there might be a little bit of bloody fucking in them, but it's kept to a low T, so I don't mean any aggression by it. Little buddy can be a bit mischievous at times, but I'm keeping him at bay as well.
Calm down, Ian. I'm not that bad. I've toned up a bit in the last couple of years.
All right, let's get on over here and finish this painting. Come on one side of it now.
You know what? I don't like that brush.
So I'll grab the bullshit stick straight out here in the middle.
I'll just turn the light meter up again.
Bush down there, boom. And I want to take this opportunity to thank those people who support my content, either by becoming a channel member or a Patreon of mine, and also people that send me super chat donations. If you want to be a channel member, simply hit the join tab below for the price of a cup of coffee a month.
How are you finding your new microphone, Ian?
Yeah, not bad. They're pretty good. Okay, where's the knife? Where's the bloody knife? Here it is.
Got to get that tape off.
Okay, let's go. Hang on, get this ready. Now the music will be playing through this bit. And it'll be zooming out. So everything I'm saying now won't be coming up in the tutorial, just in the extra content video. There you go, look at that. Now go and grab the mat, little buddy.
Here you go, mate, over here.
All right, and then I'll cut it to this bit. Where's that pencil line? There it is there. We've got to get the top of this to that pencil line. Okay, let's go. About there.
Why has it got to be to that pencil line, Ian? Oh, I've got...
Paint all over it. Because when I set the frame on that ledge, it's in the perfect spot. Okay, you got the frame?
Here you go, mate.
Thank you. There you go, that's not too shabby. We've got a lovely sunset, and I know you can do it.
Where the hell do you come up with all that stuff at the end of a video, Ian?
I don't know, I just make it up as I come along, but it sounds good.
Right, the light meter's perfect. Now, get this over there. Get that card out of the way. Hang on a minute.
Let's get rid of that. Okay, where are we? Hang on, I've got to turn the monitor around. Why didn't you do it, little buddy?
Well, here, I'll do it. You get back over there, you mongrel.
All right. Right, where were we up to? And I want to say all that stuff as well. And I know you can do it. Well, that was a lot of fun. I really enjoyed that. I hope you enjoyed the process. Now, you be sure to tell your friends if you like what I'm doing, but if you don't like what I'm doing, you tell everybody. Goodbye, good luck, and good on ya. And that is how I make a tutorial. This, we'll just find out. Hey Google, what's the time?
It's 3:34 p.m.
3:34. So I know I started around 11:30, so it's been about 4 hours-ish just to film this. But in hindsight, it'll probably only take me 20 minutes. But anyway, see you in my next video. What's this shit? See you in my next video.